morning, everybody. Respected Principal Ma'am, Dr. M. Kasturi, and the dynamic participants of class 11th B, I welcome all of you for the second episode of online mathematics quiz, Hunky Brains we have titled it. The purpose of conducting such an event is to ensure learning and thereby strengthen students' academic standard, and to encourage enthusiastic students and provide a platform to showcase your talents. The idea was definitely conceived by Dr. M. Kasturi, our principal ma'am, Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, and with her support and guidance, not only this event, the school is initiating various innovative online projects, keeping students engaged effectively. Dear Madam, let me introduce you with the team of super energetic students. When I call your name, children, I want you to say hello and one word, okay? The first team, Team A, is Aparna Sinha. Team A,
hello,
Aparna.
ma'am.
Yes, good. Paridhi Kothari.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
And Jia Sharma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, that's good. Team B, Sneha Raj.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good. Ishita Bathwal.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good. Vaishnavi Singhal.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good. Team C, Akula Mahita Lakshmi.
Namaste, ma'am.
Yes. Supriya and Riya Gupta. We move to Team D, Pranjal and Karunika Gupta.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Sia Bansal.
Good morning, ma'am.
And myself, the quiz master Achla Verma, ma'am. Good morning to you, ma'am, and we welcome you for the quiz. Now I request Principal ma'am to address the children and motivate them for the quiz.
Thank you very much, Achala ma'am. Thanks a lot. And welcome all the children. And you call them as hunky brains and super energetic students. They have to prove it. Still, they have to prove it, whether they are really super energetic. Of course, definitely. And here I want to share something. In this pandemic, in the beginning, we are really got scared how much we can conduct, what we will do and all. And I'm so happy in Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, almost all the subjects, all the teachers, we have the curriculum planning. We will plan the curriculum in the beginning of the year. According to that, they are going, some teachers are in some of the subjects across the school I'm talking about. They are going even better than in sense, even ahead of the curriculum planning. And all the teachers, all activities are going on. It's a wonderful curriculum transaction, I can say. And not only just curriculum, and they are also planning for like this quiz programs and debates and declamations. So many programs are going on. I'm thankful to all the teachers of Birla Balika Vidyapeeth. Especially I thank Mrs. Achala Verma, academic coordinator, for conducting such kind of things. And also I want to thank and bless all the children, because without your cooperation, we cannot do anything. Okay? You have to come forward. You have to realize you are not kids. So that you have grown up children, you have to understand the situation as well as the time. Time is more important. We are not going to waste any academic year in this year. So we are as usual, whether school is there or not, we are going to have all the classes. And as soon as you come here, only the revisions may be there. Okay, with these few words, for all the teams, wish you all the best. Do well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for blessing all of us. Thank you so much. Now, let us begin with the quiz. And before I begin, I'll just tell you the rules of the game. The quiz will be conducted in 3 rounds. Round 1 will be related with knowledge and remembering based questions, where you need to you either use a formula or give reasoning for the question. Round 2 will be application based, where you need to solve and then give the answer after solving. Round 3 will be a rapid fire round, which will be mainly a calculation based questions. Okay. Round 1 and 2, each team will be asked 2 questions, and each correct answer will carry 10 points, and a wrong answer will deduct 2 points. The team will get 30 seconds to answer 1 question. The team, those who do not know the answer can pass the question and no marks will be deducted for that. But if the question is passed and the other team answers, they will get 5 marks for giving the right answer and no deduction for wrong answer. Round 3 is a rapid fire round and each team will have to answer 5 questions in 3 minutes. And only the correct questions will be given marks. If there is any wrong answer, no marks will be deducted. Okay. So, and the scores will be announced by our scorer, Mishika Goyal. Mishika Goyal, she is the scorer, ma'am. Mishika Goyal.
Yeah.
Best of luck, all of you. Let us begin with the quiz. Now, the first question.
Achala,
Yes, ma'am.
Achala, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yes.
The 11th rule I want to tell here.
Yes.
I have decided yesterday when you told about this, we will have the online certificates of participation and winner certificates also.
Yes.
When all children come back and in hard copy, we will be having the prize distribution will be there. And again, the certificates from the school will be given. This is the last point of your rules. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, let us begin with the quiz then. The team A, are you ready? The first question will go to team A. Round 1, let's check your memory and knowledge. Okay. So the first question, team A, name the trigonometric functions that takes value 0 on x-axis. Mishika, you will maintain the timings. 30 seconds. So shall we pass the question to team B, team A? The question passes to team B. Team B, can you give the answer? Name the trigonometric functions that takes value 0 on x-axis.
Ma'am, sine function.
Yes, that is the right answer. The question was trigonometric functions. So there should be one more answer.
Cos, ma'am.
Cos function. And the time is over.
Time up. So they get 5 points, team B. The answer is sine function and tangent function. Buck up, team A, don't worry. Next time you will do it right. Okay, now this question goes to team B. What is the period of tangent function? Team B. What is the period of tangent function? The time up, so the question passes to team C. What is the period of tangent function? Team C, quick.
Time up, ma'am.
So it goes to team D now.
Pi.
Pi, yes, that is the right answer. Period of tangent function is pi. So team D gets 10 points because the question is passed. Now we move on to the third question. Team C, what is the domain of cosecant function? What is the domain of cosecant function, team C?
Ma'am, R minus N pi.
Yes, R minus N pi, that's the right answer. They get 10 points, team C. Next, we move on to team D. Name the quadrants in which cosine function is increasing. Name the quadrants in which cosine function is increasing. Team D.
third and fourth quadrant.
Yes, correct answer. 10 points for team D. Next, we go to the second round of questions of round 1. Again, it is team A. Among sine and cosine function, which is an even function and why? Give the reason. Team A.
Ma'am, the time is up.
The time up. Question passes to team B.
Ma'am, cos is an even function.
Yes, why? Give the reason. Why cosine is an even function? Correct answer.
Ma'am, the time is up.
Okay, they have answered half of it correct. So we can give them 5 points. And then the reason is cos minus x equal to cos x. That is the reason, children. Okay, right. Now we move to the next question, which is for team B. Name the trigonometric functions that take positive values in quadrant 1 and 2.
Sine and cosec.
Yes, sine and cosecant. Very good. Correct answer. 10 points for team B. Now we move to team C. The question is, if sine x is 0, then x is equal to what? Team C. If sine x is 0, then x is equal to what?
Ma'am, 0.
0 is only one part of the answer. It is the solution of this equation. Okay, shall I pass or team C is going to give the answer? The question passes to team D.
2n pi.
2n pi. Is there another answer for this?
Ma'am, 2n pi plus 1 minus 1 to the power ny.
I'm sorry, I cannot give that. I'll pass it to team A.
N pi.
Yes, n pi is the right answer and team A is opening their account with this answer. 5 points to team A. Good. Now the question goes to team D. What is the range of secant function? What is the range of secant function?
Minus infinity to minus 1, 1 to infinity.
Yes, that's the right answer. 10 points for team D. Very good. Now may I request the scorer to give the scores for this round 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So, ma'am, the total score is Team A, 5 points.
Yes.
Team B, 20 points.
Yes.
Team C, 10 points.
Team
And Team
D,
D,
10.
25 points.
Oh, wow. Team D is doing well with 25 points. Team A, I'm sure you will do very well in the next round. Okay? Buck up, children. We move to the next round, which is solve and score. Okay? You will have to solve the question. You will get 30 seconds for that. And then you can answer. The first question, now I will begin with Team B. This question goes to Team B. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in half minute? Through how many radians does it turn in half minute? Team B.
Ma'am, the time is up.
Time up. The question will be passed to Team C.
Ma'am, 2 pi radians.
2 pi radians, that is in 1 revolution. How many revolutions it is making in half minute? Half answer is right again, team C. The scorer knows the answer. She's smiling.
Ma'am, 360 pi.
Yes, very good. This is a past question, so 5 points. Very good, very good. Next question goes to team C. The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. How far does its tip move in 25 minutes? Team C. I think I'll have to put some questions to the scorer also. She's smiling.
Ma'am, the time is up.
Time up, team C. You could answer the past question. Let us give the question to team D. Team D, can you answer this question? The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. How far does its tip move in 25 minutes?
$75 pi.
Yes,
Time is up.
just very near to the answer. It is 5 pi by 4 centimeter.
75 plus 150.
I give 50% marks to team D, and we move to the next question. Team D, you get this question again. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 7 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeters. Find the degree measure.
Pi.
Yes, correct answer. Good. Within time you have answered. Very good. Now team A, the question is find the angle in radians through which a pendulum swings if its length is 45 centimeter and the tip describes an arc of length 15 centimeter.
Ma'am, the time is up.
Time up, team A, 5 seconds more.
Ma'am, pi by 60.
Pi by 60. I'll have to pass it to team B. Can you answer team B?
Ma'am, can team A again answer?
Team
Ma'am,
A?
1 by 3 radians.
Yes, correct answer, 1 by 3 radians.
1 by 3 radian.
Yes, yes, correct answer. We give it to team A, 10 points to team A. Now, team B, it's your turn again. Simplify this and give your answer. Sin x plus sin y upon cos x minus cos y. Time up. The question passes to team C. Team C. It's a direct question, children.
Ma'am, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y upon cos x cos y plus sin x sin y.
No, that's not the right answer.
Ma'am, the time is up.
Time up. It goes to team D.
Minus cot x minus y by 2.
Yes, that is the right answer. Minus cot x minus y by 2. Your numerator is 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. And denominator is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. It's a direct question, children. Second question of round 2 goes to team C now. Simplify sin 5x minus sin 3x upon cos 5x plus cos 3x.
Ma'am, tan x.
Tan x, correct answer. 10 points for team C. Very good, Mahita. Next question goes to team D. Simplify cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x.
Ma'am, the time is up.
Time up, team D. Do you have the answer?
Cos square x.
That's not the right answer. The question passes to team A. Team A, you have a chance now. The question is passed.
Ma'am, it will be 2 cos 4x cos x.
Yes, that's the right answer. 2 cos 4x cos x. Team A gets 5 marks. Now we move to team A for the next question, which is simplify cos square 6x minus cos square 2x.
Ma'am, the time is up.
Time up, team A. The question passes to team B.
0.
That's not the right answer.
Ma'am, the time is up.
Time up, team B. The question passes to team C.
Ma'am, the time is up.
Time up. Again, we are back to team D. Can you give the answer?
Minus 4 cos 4x cos 2x into sin 4x sin 2x.
Yes, that simplifies to cos 4x and cos 8x with a minus sign. That's the right answer. 5 points to team D. And now this ends our round 2. And the scorer, Mishika, will tell us the scores.
So for team A, it would be 20.
20.
Team B, it would be 20.
20 again.
For team C, it would be 25.
25. Good.
For team C, it would be 45.5.
Team D is 45.5. Okay, great. Team D is ahead with the 2 participants only. Okay. Now we move to round 3, which is a rapid fire round. You will get 3 minutes and you will answer 5 questions in 3 minutes. Try to answer whatever you know confidently. Okay. Don't worry. The right answer will get the marks. So you be quick also and try to give a right answer, whichever you're confident about. First you tell that answer. And we will begin with team D now. Okay. We'll begin with team D and then it will rotate. So the first set of questions go to team D. You can see all the 5 questions. Answer the one that you know confidently well, and each question has 10 points again, the right answer. Okay. Radian measure of 36 degree. If cos x is minus 5/6 and x is in quadrant 2, then tan x equal to what? Cosecant 15 degree. And the next one is cos 570, sin 510 plus sin 3 minus 330 and cos minus 390. The last is if sin x is 0, then x is equal to what?
Ma'am, first answer pi/5.
Correct.
And last answer n pi.
Yes, correct answer with n is an integer.
Ma'am, second question's answer minus under root 11 upon 6.
That, see properly.
Ma'am, second question. Second
Yes,
question.
yes. Do again.
Is equal
The denominator is not right. It is tan x.
1 minute left.
Ma'am, next one is root 2 upon root 3 minus 1.
Root 2 into root 3 minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's right. Third is right, Mishika. 10 more points. The second question, you are very near to the answer. Sia,
30 seconds left.
very well done. 3 correct answers.
Ma'am, minus under root 11 upon 6. I got this only.
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
Minus under root 11 upon 6, tan x.
Think properly. 6 is the hypotenuse, dear. Okay.
Minus root 11 upon 5. Huh.
But I will give you, because I gave a hint, it is 50% marks. You will give them 5 marks for the second question, Mishika. Next.
Okay, ma'am.
Fourth is left. You still have few seconds
time
to
is
answer
up.
fourth.
Ma'am, the time is up.
Time up. Okay. Team D, very well. Very well. You could answer 4 questions almost. Okay. Now we move to Team A. Team A, come on. Answer any whatever is possible, and if possible all 5. Team A, the first one, degree measure of 22 radians. The second, if tan x is 5 by 6, x is quadrant 3, then secant x equal to what? Cos 105 degree. Then cos 9 pi by 2, sin 13 pi by 12 plus sin 13 pi by 3 and cos 17 pi by 3. Identify the graph that is given. Whichever you can answer correctly, immediately answer.
Ma'am, the third one is root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2.
Yes, that is right answer. Mishika, 10 points for this. Third.
Ma'am, for first 396 upon pi.
Okay, that's right answer. Give them first question, correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
For second, it's minus 6 upon root 11.
You have to do it again. That is tan x given and you are asked secant x.
Fifty seconds left.
Identify the graph. Team A.
Cot. Fifth is cot x.
Yes, that's right answer, 10 points. That is cot x graph. Now try
30
again.
seconds.
Second question. Try again.
And fourth is cos 9 pi by 2 minus cos 13 pi by 12.
This one, that's a value. That's a value. What is cos 9 pi by 2? Odd multiple of pi by 2. What is the value?
5 seconds.
Time up. You got 3 questions correct and 30 points. Team A. Very good. Very good. Well done. Well done. We go to team B now. 5 questions again. Answer any which one you feel is right. Okay. The first one, radian measure of minus 420 degree. Second question, if cosecant is minus 13 by 5 and x is in quadrant 4, then cot x is equal to what? Third question, sine minus 1125 degree. Fourth question, cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 17 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square 7 pi by 6 equal to what? And from the figure, answer the length of arc AB. From the figure, answer the length of arc AB. Children,
Ma'am, first answer is 7.
first answer is?
Ma'am, first minus 7 pi by 3.
Very good, correct answer, 10 points.
Ma'am, third answer is root 2 by 2.
Root 2 by 2, is it positive or negative?
I'm positive.
Check again.
Ma'am, second answer minus 12 upon 5.
Answer, 10 points.
Ma'am, third answer minus 1 upon root 2.
Yes, that's right answer, 10 points. Very good, everyone attempting more than 3
First and
questions.
7 pi.
Yes, say again, loud. Which question you are answering, beta?
One minute left.
1 minute left. 2 more questions to go.
Ma'am, fifth one, 1200
No,
pi.
no, no.
Ma'am, the time is up.
Time up, children. Team B. And there is no pass in this round. Now we move to Team C, the last one, the last set of questions. And your time starts now, beta. If cos x is 0, then x is equal to what? If sin x is 1 by 6, x is in quadrant 2, then what is secant x value? And tan minus 1710. What about cos 70 sin 20 plus sin 70 cos 20 equal to? And what is the measure of angle that you see in the figure? And find the cos of that angle.
Mom, second question, 6 by root 35.
Yes, that is right answer. 10 points.
Ma'am, first answer is pi by 2.
Ma'am,
That is
I'm
only
not
one
able-
part. You have to give the answer of the equation. Team C is giving the answers now.
Ma'am, root 35 upon
Ma'am,
36.
You have answered the second one already.
Ma'am,
Mahita
second
has
answer.
answered.
Ma'am, third.
Third. What is the answer for the third?
Ma'am, root 35 upon 36.
No, dear. Third is tan minus 1710. Hello, Team C. Mishika, what about the timing, beta?
Ma'am, 10 seconds are left.
10 seconds. Fourth one should come out correct. It's a direct formula. Team C.
Ma'am, sine 90 degrees.
Ma'am, the time is up.
Time up, Team C. I'm giving you 5 seconds more. Quick.
Ma'am, first one is 2n plus 1 pi by 2.
Yes, correct answer. 10 points. Mahita, correct answer. Very good.
Fourth.
What about fourth?
Ma'am, fourth one, 9. Ma'am, sine 90.
So what is sin 90 equal to?
Ma'am, 1, 1.
1. 1 is the right answer. So 3 correct answers given by Team C. With that, we end the quiz. All the 3 rounds done and very well participated by all of you. Now let us see what are the scores at the end of all the 3 rounds. Give me the total score, Mishika.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, team A 50 points.
50, very good.
Team B also 50 points.
Team B also 50 points, very good.
Team C 55 points.
55, Team C, good.
And ma'am, team D is dominating by 80.5 points.
Very good. Team D has scored 80.5 points. Very well done. Clap for yourself, children. You have done very well. And participation is more important than winning or losing. You have participated in an online quiz. That is more appreciated. I thank all of you for giving your best. And I request ma'am to address the children. Ma'am, how did you feel how the children have done? Yes, ma'am.
It's good, Achala. Congratulations to all the children.
Thank you.
They're proving that they're studying.
Yes.
The fact. But it's really good. This kind of practice is very much required for their competitive exams,
Yes.
maintaining the timings as well as the questions. And in future, you're going on little critical ones also you take up, because
Yes.
high order thinking questions you can frame them, so that let them all other children also, let them have some interest.
Yes.
And you motivate them, these children, those who have participated, please give it to everyone, so that every child should be motivated and they have to prepare for their competitive exams as well as for their 11th and 12th examinations. Congratulations, children. Thank you so much. I enjoyed a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. It was on one single chapter, ma'am. We did on trigonometry. It's a very important chapter.
Good. It is good. This way only it will proceed.
Yes.
It's good.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure, ma'am. Sure. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, children. Have a good day. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for participating. Very well done. Very good. Thank you.